Okay, I've got these chair spindles that Tim got for me, and I asked him to cut one of them in two. So this is the small piece of the chair spindle. I'm going to use just Waverly white chalk paint to paint these. I'm going to distress it so I'm not worried about a perfect coating. These were off an old chair that was found in the barn. That's the smallest piece he cut for me. Okay, that's the medium piece. He cut the end off of that one. Gonna paint it with the white chalk paint as well. This is a coaster that I bought from Hobby Lobby to make for Christmas, and it didn't turn out right. So I'm going to use this as the base of my candle holders they'll stand on. I painted them brown first so that I can distress them, and they might match the wood once I distress the candlesticks. Okay, so here I'm using a sanding block. It's probably 220. And I'm going to sand back and distress my wooden candlesticks a little bit. I like for a little bit of the natural wood to show through. Okay, I'm going to attach the old chair spindle to the piece of wood that I have to make a bottom. Okay, so I'm going to drill a pilot hole into my wooden spindle so that I can insert a screw to hold it, attach it to the bottom. Okay, and now I'll do the same thing to the piece of wood that's going to be our bottom piece. Okay, so there is our bottom piece attached to the candlestick so that it will stand without tipping over. Here I'm going to use the IOD Trimmings Mold 3. As you can see, I put it around the bottom to give it a decoration. Okay, y'all, let's finish our chair spindles. Tim took off an old chair for me. I'm going to make them into candle holders. So we got a little bit here to finish. I bought these little candle holders. I ordered mine from Amazon. This bag right here. And then I glued them using my Type Bond Quick and Thick glue to the tops of my spindles here. I need to paint them, and I need some antique wax on this one. So we'll start with our white paint. We're using Waverly white paint. We'll distress it a little bit after we get them painted. Okay. Didn't go too far in with the paint, just a little bit. Okay, I'll let that coat dry. It'll probably take 2 coats. But while that's drying, we're going to go ahead and add our antique wax to the bottom of this candle holder here. And here's the finished product. I think they turned out beautiful.